Are you hungry? Let's make some salmon.
Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for joining me on this video today. This is my organic salmon that I purchased from H-E-B. I'm going to add some avocado oil on top. This whole slab ran me like $34. I made 4 meals out of this, so it ran me like $8.50 a slice. So right here, this is the organic Cajun seasoning I like. I get that from Walmart. Now the onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper, I get it from Sam's Club. And again, you just season the salmon how you like. And guys, if you have not purchased any Celtic Salt, do your research. It is the best for you. So we're going to put this in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So H-E-B had a sale on their Dungeon crabs. So I took 2 Dungeon crabs and I took all the meat out. So I had my potatoes boiling, and this is the potatoes that I use also from H-E-B. This is the sour cream I use, and I get that from Basic Foods. So you just add whatever seasonings you want to in your potatoes. Again, I just do like garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and Celtic salt. So this is the finale of the show, okay? So I get pico de gallo from H-E-B, and I put that in the pan in some butter. So I just smother that down with some minced garlic, and I add the heavy cream. I'm just eyeing it. This is maybe a cup. And again, everything I get from Kelowna is at Basic Foods. So I'm going to add some red pepper flakes because we like a little spice in our life in my household. And tonight I'm going to add capers. So again, add the seasons as you like, mix up and taste as you go. So this is the Parmesan cheese I like. Again, I get this from H-E-B and Kroger. And again, I will probably put like a half a cup, and then it's all about the thickness that you want. So as it gets thick, as you want, you're pretty much good to go. So what I like to do is add a little basil. I love basil on top of pretty much anything, my pastas, my salmon. So right here, I just plated the potatoes, and I'm gonna add a little of that sauce to the bottom before I plate the salmon on top. So that crab meat, put it in a bowl with some of that topping. Do not put it in your sauce because it's just gonna spread everywhere. Put it in a bowl and then put it on top of your salmon. That's the key, okay? And look how good this looks, y'all. I cannot wait for you to try it. It's amazing. So we're all good, plated up to go. So if you try this recipe, let me know what you think.
And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.